Hi, Diana!
Hello.
Ayan. Hello, love. Sige, kwentuhan mo na po ako, ate. Anong may paglilingkod ko sa'yo at napatawag po sa usapang LDR?
Kasi ano yun, bali, dati kasi magkakasama kami sa work. After noon, meron kami isang kasamahan na, kasi senior siya, so medyo, hello?
Yep. I'm here.
Senior siya sa amin kasi nauna siya siguro mga a year or two dun sa company. And then, syempre, maganda naman yung pakikisama niya sa amin. So, maganda, maano din yung parang binalik namin na pakikitungo sa kanya. Tapos after nun, parang nagpaparamdam na siya na hindi ko masyadong, since syempre parang sa akin, hindi siya appropriate kasi alam niya na asawa ko talagang literal na legal yung kasama ko sa trabaho.
Mm.
Yun, tapos nagsisimula na siyang mag-message. So, nung una parang hindi ko naman binibigyan ng mali siya. Until may mga text na siya na hindi maganda. So, tinry ko siyang i-ignore na lang yung mga message niya. Tapos hindi ko sinabi dun sa husband ko kasi hindi niya alam na ganun yung ugali. Kumbaga parang maganda kasi talaga yung trato sa lahat ng mga kasama namin. So parang feeling ko parang pag pinag-usapan namin kasi kilala ko din yung ugali ng husband ko. At since bago din kami sa company, baka maging conflict pa. Since
Okay.
mahirap naman humanap ng maayos na trabaho. 'Di ba?
Okay.
So, hindi ko na lang siya pinapansin. Tapos pati kahit dun sa work, hindi na lang ako umaalis dun sa pwesto ko. Kasi break, yung husband ko na lang yung pumupunta sa akin.
Mm-hmm.
Para lang, hindi niya maano na, nagbibigay ako ng hint na gusto ko yung ginagawa niya. And then, tapos nung akala ko okay na, hindi na siya uli nagme-message. Mga a week or two, nag-message siya naman siya ng parang nagparamdam na siya ulit. Nag-decide na ako na huminto na lang sa work kaysa maapektuhan kaya na pati yung asawa ko. Kumbaga parang ako kasi hindi naman talaga full-time yung work ko doon. Mas yung work ng asawa ko. So, mas inintindi ko na mas magtagal siya doon
Okay.
kaysa gawin ikomplikado pa kasi parang hindi niya naman kasi dun sa company mas dahil senior nga yung na yun. So parang feeling ko based din sa mga kwento ng ibang kasamahan namin, malakas siya dun sa company, nakakapag-demand siya, ganun.
Mm.
So huminto na ako, as in hindi na lang ako pumasok pa. Tapos pag nagyayayaan sila, pumapayag naman ako na sumasama yung husband ko na hindi lang din ako sumasama. Tapos ito na naman, itong week na 'to or last week, message na naman siya ng message. Hindi ko maano sa husband ko kung sasabihin ko na ba sa kanya or hindi kasi nga natatakot din naman ako na gumawa siya ng hindi dun sa trabaho, na maging sanhi na mawalan siya ng trabaho.
Okay.
Yun pero kasi nabo-bother na ako dun sa mga message niya kasi actually yung mga account ko, dahil wala naman kaming lihim dun maliban dito sa issue na 'to, open naman lahat sa asawa ko. Kumbaga parang anytime puwede niya, hindi ko tinatago sa kanya yung mga phone. So kaya ang ginagawa ko na everytime nagme-message siya, hindi ko na binubuksan, dine-delete ko na lang agad.
Okay. Ano bang mga message sa'yo ni kuya?
Yung pangkaraniwan na nagpaparamdam na ang ganda mo, ganito, ganyan. Yung parang hindi kasi ako sanay kasi ma-friendly naman ako sa ibang kasamahan namin. Pero as in, dahil kasamahan siya or parang kinukuya namin. Pero yung as in, yung alam kong may ibang gusto, parang hindi naaalangan talaga ako.
Okay. So, are you gonna ask me kung ano yung kailangan mong gawin about kay kuya?
Kung kailangan ko na bang Kasi kapag uuwi yung husband ko, magkukuwento siya tungkol sa work niya, sasabihin niya na, siya kasi maayos nga yung trato sa kanya, ganito. Tapos everyday daw sinasabay siya sa trabaho, kasi on the way yung bahay namin dun sa since may sasakyan, dina-drop off lang siya dun sa kanto, yung
So,
ganun.
ikaw, completely out ka na doon sa company na yon.
Yes.
Okay. Si
As
hubby
in
na lang.
Mm.
Okay. So, first kasi na you have to decide, Diana, is kailangan mong mag-decide if you are going or if you are 100% okay na with the fact of going against this person. Kasi right now, dahil nga dinidelete mo yung mga messages niya, he can simply deny na hindi naman ako nagte-text ng ganyan sa kanya kasi wala ka ng proof eh. Kasi nga, simply dinedelete mo na lahat ng messages niya. Had it been ang nangyari kasi you've saved all the messages or kahit man lang siguro delete the messages but na-screenshot mo every messages na pinapadala sa'yo, you can somehow counter ng harassment kahit sa opisina nyo pa lang to begin with. I mean, you can go sa HR ninyo, human resources, then you file for harassment. Kasi harassment yan eh. You feel harassed, you feel uneasy, and it even forced you to leave the company. Kumbaga, enough grounds na yan eh to have that person na warned na you have to stop now or else you'll lose your job. Kasi hindi naman nila basta-basta pwede lang ipagsawalang bahala yan eh. You are, sabihin na natin, mas mababa ka sa hierarchy and he is your senior and he is taking advantage of the fact na siya ay mas matagal na sa trabaho in comparison with you and your husband. So, hindi kayo makapiyok, hindi kayo makapagsalita, but then again, hindi nyo dapat isina-silence ultimo yung karapatan ninyo inside the office. But then again now, you are outside the office na kasi. Wala ka na kasi sa opisina. And this one is affecting your relationship with your husband already. Kumbaga, hindi man alam ni husband kung ano yung nangyayari, ikaw mismo, it's eating you up inside. Kasi alam mong you are hiding something from your husband. Tama? So if I were you, mag-decide ka muna within you. Am I really ready for this one? Ready na ba ako to fight? Ready na ba ako to somehow go against this person? Am I ready na this time around speak my truth? Kasi if you can now and if you are now ready, Diana, first, you can reply to the messages. Sabihin mo sa kanya, I'm out of the company because of this. Kasi I don't wanna create any issue. Ayokong magkaroon ng kahit anong feud or kahit anong eksena sa loob ng opisina. That's the reason why mas kinuha ko yung option na mag-resign na lang and have my husband work there. But this cannot continue. You have to stop. You are no longer my senior and I am no longer sabihin na natin, gonna tolerate this one. What you are doing to me is wrong. I'm not gonna tell my husband about it, but if you'll force me to do so, I will. And this time around, I'll have the HR involved in this one. Kahit wala na ako sa kumpanya, I can tell them na this is the reason why I quit. This is the reason why I went, I gave my resignation. This is the reason why I left the company because someone is harassing me. And that is you. So you have to stop. Naiintindihan mo ko, Diana? You have to step up, love. Kasi ikaw lang yung makakapagpatigil dyan eh. Kapag sinasabihan ka ng mga ganun, it makes you feel uncomfortable. Do not ever think na wala kang karapatan to speak out. Do not ever think na hindi ka dapat magsalita just because mas mataas yung posisyon niya sa inyo. Hindi yun tama. He doesn't own the company. Remember that. And even if he does, he has no right to do that to you. Naintindihan mo ko, love? Kasi hindi na lang ikaw yung binabastos niya na din yung husband mo sa proseso ng ginagawa niya eh. So you have to lash back. You have to fight back. You have to stand up. Una i-message mo muna siya na this will be the last time na makaka-receive ako ng ganito kasi I don't want any messages from you anymore. If it's like this, non-related sa work, non-related sa husband ko, do not message me at all. As far as I can see, we are not friends. I guess we are no longer friends. And kung ano man yung ginagawa mo sa husband ko, kung ano man yung pinapakita mo sa kanya, I thank you. Your relationship with him is different from your relationship with me. So you and I were done. Now, if you want to be friends with my husband, just make sure na wala kang kinukook na game or anything. Kasi I'm gonna have you, sabihin na natin, pay for this. I'm gonna go to HR. Naintindihan mo ko, Diana? And then, pag uwi ng husband mo, try to tell him everything. But this time around, tell him, I can do this. I'll handle this one. Trust me. Dito sa bagay na to. I don't wanna hide anything from you. I don't wanna create anything bad. I don't wanna create any mess, any scene sa office. That's the reason why I made the ultimate decision of giving my resignation. To tender my resignation. Kasi I don't want this to affect you. I want you to be, sabihin na natin, mature about it. Kahit sabihin mo yan kay husband, let me handle this. But this time, ito yung sinend ko sa kanya. Kasi I don't wanna hear anything from him anymore. Naintindihan mo ko, Diana? It's eating you up inside eh. And once na malaman-laman kasi to ng husband mo to sabihin na natin, from someone else, or worse, from HR pa, it will break him even more.
Sinabihan, kaya ako tumawag. Kasi talagang, almost ilang months na din siyang gumugulo sa isip ko nga. Kasakala ko huminto na. Tapos pabalik-balik lang din siya. Pero,
kasi hindi ka gumagawa ng anything eh. Oo. That's the reason why pabalik-balik sa'yo si kuya. Kasi wala kang ginagawa about it. Kasi feeling niya okay lang with you. Feeling niya sakto lang yung ginagawa niya. Feeling niya takot ka enough to do anything about it. Show him otherwise. Na I shouldn't be scared of you. I have a marriage to protect. I have a husband to be loyal to. I have a husband to be honest with. You are nothing to me compared to what my husband is to me. You already cost me my job. Ikaw na yung naging dahilan kung bakit ako jobless ngayon. I don't want you taking anything else from my life anymore. You have to stop. Naintindihan mo ko, Diana? And only you can tell that man that he needs to stop. Or else, kung sakasakali, Diana, na done na siya with you, he'll just do it to someone else. He'll just keep on doing it. Kasi alam niya he can get away with it eh. People like that, they shouldn't be tolerated. Dapat tinuturuan ng leksyon yung mga ganyan. So you fight back, love. You have a strong husband to back you up. You have a husband to be your partner. You have a husband and a best friend to talk about these things with. So do not keep anything from him just because you are trying to protect him from this guy. He can protect himself as well. Oo. Pero wag mo siyang pagsinungalingan kasi it will cost you your marriage. It will cost you your partner. Okay? At mas malaking bagay yun na mawawala sa'yo because of this guy. Okay?
Yes.
So, if there's something na gusto mong sabihin dito sa lalaking to na napakakapal ng mukha, meron ng asawa, matanda na, parang wala pang kinatandaan, ano gusto mong sabihin sa kanya?
Sana tumigil na siya kasi maayos naman yung pakikitungo namin sa kanya at sa pool. Kumbaga parang hindi namin siya tinuring na iba. So, hindi ko makuha kung bakit pag nakaharap yung asawa ko, maayos yung itrato niya tapos ginagawa niya lang sa akin yung ganun. So, parang itigil na lang niya kahit kanino man sa mga kasama pa namin. Kung sakali.
Okay. Love, Diana, next time na meron kang trabaho and something like this happen to you again, do not tolerate it. Wag mong i-tolerate. It doesn't even matter kung bago ka lang. It doesn't even matter kung mas mataas yung posisyon niya or mas matagal pa siya sa'yo. If it's wrong, it's wrong. That's why you have an HR. Pag big companies, even the small ones, meron silang HR to protect the employees. You have to utilize that, love. Kailangan mo yun gamitin. Not because intrimitida ka, but because you are protecting yourself. Pumasok ka doon sa kumpanyang yun to work in order to somehow contribute sa growth ng company. And parang as something in return to make a living. Hindi ka pumasok doon para humanap ng jowa, hindi ka pumasok doon para humanap ng kalandian, at hindi ka lalong pumasok doon para mabastos lang ng akala nila mas mataas sa'yo. Pare-pareho lang tayong naghahanap buhay para kumita ng pera at may mapakain sa pamilya. Hindi dapat ganon ang environment na pagtatrabahuhan mo, okay? Maraming salamat, Diana, for calling my program.
Thank you, DJ.
Ingat ka lagi, love. Thank you. Ay, nako. Alam mo, I have never been the type, or I was never the type of person that tolerates those types of people. Yung mga taong bastos. Hindi naman sa Gabriela ako when it comes sa pag-work ko. Pero every time I feel na hindi maganda yung pakikitungo sa akin, it's either I speak out, it's either na inilalabas ko na I do not like that, nangongonfront ako na pwede po ba walang ganyang jokes. Kasi hindi ako yung tipo ng tao talaga, kahit DJ ako and I should be used to this, pero I'm not really the type of person that can handle green jokes. Kasi hindi din ako yung tipo ng taong nagbibitaw ng green jokes. I don't know why, pero it's not within my system. Because I do not want to tolerate those things. Kasi yung mga ganong klaseng bagay, andun sa utak ko, hindi ko alam kung pang matanda ba yung utak ko, masyado ba akong sinauna, but I like those conversations in private. Na ako lang yung nakakaalam, or kumbaga, kung mababanggit man siya, it's more of the person I'm most comfortable with. Pero it's not something that everybody or anybody na kasama ko or nakakaharap ko ay pwedeng ibitaw sa akin. That's why kapag mayroong mga green jokes around, I do not join the conversation. Though hindi naman ako KJ in making them stop doing it, pero hindi ako nakikisali. Hindi ako nakikiride on because I do not like that. I don't want to be itemized for my gender, for my physical attributes. I don't want anything like that. So I don't tolerate people na malaswa or pangit yung pakikitungo sa akin or masyadong sexual for me. I do not tolerate that. So you don't have to tolerate it too. Not because bago ka, or just because bago ka, just because babae ka, meron na silang karapatan to do that to you. No. Always know your rights. And then, if I'm not mistaken, nasa handbook ng mga companies ang pagtutuligsa or yung going against with sexual harassment. That's a no-no in every company. So, wag kayong matakot. You are protected. You just have to know your rights and you just have to speak out. You just have to learn how to confront in a very, sabihin na natin, professional manner. Na my relationship with you is professional. If there's anything na mabibuild out of this one, like a friendship and all, hanggang doon na lang yon. But if you are looking for anything more than that, I'm so sorry, but I am not your person. And I don't want to feel like as if hindi ako makagalaw sa kumpanyang ginagalawan ko just because someone like you exist. You have to stop. Ganon, kabisyo. Ganon.